Hi, I'm Curtis with OPENTEXT CYBERSECURITY. I'd like to take a couple of minutes to explain, demonstrate, and show some of the data operators available in ArcSight Search. In this example, we'll be using these operators to help simplify, filter, and sort the information returned in our search results. Here, I've already run a search to pull back information about all of the devices that have been communicating from the subnet 10.0 to anything that's not in the subnets 192.165, 10.0, and 8.8. My request now for my manager is to find the top talkers so that we can understand who's been saying what and by how many bytes. Now I can use my stats tag to sum all of the bytes in and sum all of the bytes out as total bytes, creating these new columns, and sorting them by source and destination. I can then add an additional filter to eliminate some of those empty rows using the where instruction, where I only want to see total bytes in as greater than 0 or total bytes out is greater than 0. There are our results. We've eliminated any devices that didn't have any bytes in or out, and we've managed to create these sums so we can see the totals for different source and destination address pairs. I appreciate the time that you've given me today. For more information on ArcSight Search, please contact your account manager to schedule a demo or check out the links and resources below.